Hi, I'm Timea Presley. Thank you for joining me today. Today, let's talk about what kind of wellness routines, in particular one, can help you to feel great if you live in the cold climate and you're facing some of the challenges of the season, which is feeling a little bit more tired because it's dark early and there are a lot of activities added to your regular routine. What I'm talking about is taking Pilates, keeping up your regular fitness routine, and going to the sauna afterwards. Going to the sauna feels such a reward, and in many countries it is a very common practice that is being done with great enthusiasm and also some rules and steps to follow. A good way to practice going to the sauna is taking a shower before the sauna, then spending sufficient amount of time in the sauna so that you start to sweat. It depends on the temperature of the sauna that you're using, how much time you can spend in there. The sauna that I use has a 140 Fahrenheit temperature, and I usually spend half an hour total in the sauna, 15 minutes on a higher bench where I experience more heat, and 15 minutes on the lower bench where the temperature is a little bit lower. After the sauna, the best practice is to take a cold shower. Now, to some of us that sounds scary. What you can do is you can start with a warmer shower and then maybe just use the cold water on your arms and legs so that you can cool down properly. Also splash some cold water in your face. It will feel very refreshing. Then, after you took the shower with some cold shower parts in it, it's nice to take a rest. If there's a place where you can lie down and stay in a relaxed position until you feel that your heart rate dropped back down to normal from being in the heat, where your heart rate goes up and you feel your heart pounding, you will feel so much more energized than if you rush off without that little piece to the routine. And of course, don't forget to hydrate. Drink a lot of water so that you replace all the liquids that came out through the sweat as you spend time in the sauna. It's interesting to note that many people believe that going to the sauna regularly can reduce the number of colds that you get. Okay, so I hope that this is a helpful tip. Go and relax in the sauna and enjoy the holiday season in great health. And thanks for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that the content was helpful. Please join me for the next video next Friday. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and if you live in the DC area, sign up for a private Pilates session with me through my website, PresleyPilates.com. And don't forget to check out some of my videos here and here, or subscribe to the channel here. Thank you. Bye-bye.